So my spirit team's just waiting to bring down the hammer on motherfuckers. If you resonate with me, then you on the same shit. Your spirit team is ready. Your spirit team just waiting for you to give them a word, the command, so that they can go ahead and stomp on these motherfuckers. And who are these motherfuckers? Just in case you confused, it's these entities. These entities that want to keep battling. And yes, these entities, these demons possess people. So you ever feel like so much resistance? Sometimes it be spirit causing the resistance, but a lot of the times it's these demons. And your angels' spirit team is ready to stomp on these motherfuckers. Come on, pass the test, do the right thing. Stomp on them. The hammer's coming down on the bully, bitch. You can't ignore someone or bully someone when their foot is on your motherfucking neck.